Enti ene week pepepe and ankomhye ne bae because everybody mami wura sunsumu wiase so me bisa everybody said dia be na be koso unse se wura sunsumu a ye were principality powers. Now principality powers no onyame kingdom principality wo ho and demonic kingdom so principalities here dey e wo ho enti spiritually no me bisa everybody say this month of April dia be na be koso and everybody say hwade e ho na me hu spirit bi a wa pie free nsuom ni tete sa ponkyere ni oso ankasa na open so na efa nipa efa nkofo japade na tender ene namu na ekunipa pankofo dan so kofo japade just say ese ni ade no papa enya asem ketwa na ade no eye so sadden to the extent say people were liking it to unnecessary things. Shall fly this year yeah omkan say nsuyiri but yet where this one is a demonic one eba be kunipa abesi nipa sia nipa na na mi hu ade na me raho me hu nana me raho na circle ade o matwaba and Kumasi people should pray. I'm saying this as a prophet of God. Wait, with no doubt and with no fears. Kumasi people, we have to pray well. And this month of April dear, eyensu never fanko for japade asenko for japade ni nkofo brempo ni nkofo kase nensu be fani pankasa ekunipa ebe ya rehosam ene esuni atetesem. But this is what the enemy has planned. And when we rise up and pray, God will be with us. On Saturday now, everybody from us to come there and the weekend. Me can send me what I say. I said, everybody from us to kind of say, oh, Isaiah chapter 59, verse 19. Or say, when the enemy comes in like a flood, the Lord will lift up a standard. And today, you know, say, I was a Ghana man, you're sorry near your day, you're bumpire. Shana, you're fire pipe on your day, and Yagro. Now, if we say, asasiso unya se wo bi ka ti o se se ne da wonim na se never it money na ona show huye a week by now I rather for assistant come that by Monday ne Thursday and at the end started asanteman school mo na enyo ma si wo no enya sam keto agrada school mo apankora nto ma omo ye friend say and chance dan so eja class ato oyiwa eja class ato. And these are serious deadly things. Our police sir, omo pusen yoma say, emra ne me kunipa ne me se nipa na brempon ye, eni nipa bi e wosanka onyago pon for the so say obi no na sade na say. Yet now amasane boy nyina ba. Papa, say onyago pon won no ne ma. Anka onka sanchra ne ma. I'm telling you as a prophet of God. Na Ghana de yenyina omo pai. Say ready for me so kan enya Ghana hankwa meboa because the Apple Tanzania for Apple ananya bu meboa Mexico for Apple Italy for Apple. Na a general demonic tenor. Spiritually there is a meeting bi ayede akoso. Spiritually I will see a big claiming for life. Tien komsano. Boy, a month of flood, and so be yigili on kofokrum. Spirit be appear free April more. Spirit no or punsu, spirit no punsu. Now, and soon by so strong, a so deadly. The funk of Fata Padia Franco for the Dening of Brempoye, because this month of April, a month of flood. Spirit na one manifesto or April or punsu. Spirit no, suffer, spirit no disappointment. Spirit na mo no disappoint ni na o pia frinso kase bi musa na o punso egu amaman ene nkofo djuma so ene nkofo fie na flood I be take control no enye normal flood o ye demonic flood ankasa this month of people month na nso be tot ato aso sa 2 days serious o nso be tot e be tot na jo sa to ama awura wiema wura na djum then am hu na sa no so enye easy. People have to rise up and pray. Nipa bia would hear me as a prophet of God and for life in Niagara. Because I some da one can see the mouth. Say what when you sakonya we know what is assembly. Catch them with Nianum Nekato for says up on demonically no. I didn't stop Tanajo. A Tanajo Kwan. Sada be a bit me kundipa. Never to me a city pass ya bready passing. And this is one of the serious things I'm saying. Because in the month of April, sa enzuto no krano eniho. Enti ayadina or prophet to be bad bontain. And because when you go pump him and him who say this month of April, your month of flood. Now when him say After Monday na yesem communities da ya sorry odi for panyin bi fra be catch am say eagle 91 kasa epo ye bosom ye nsuo to a wo sasanke na say papa enti onyankopon na ne makasa onyame na catch am say this month of April there's going to be a heavy rain downpour. There's going to be a strong rainstorm. Sa rainstorm no be claiming the life. The way I did sit here and ya me bubu ama the father say billboard a dragon kwofo so kunkum nipa. Asmo kan say yo when yate unko na awrade e kasa kire wo yate Thursday we are incidents this year no afeni wo frɛ abusam say enti eagle hefa na ade ne befa papa this is not about obadabai o say ya no because obadabai ya na emwanwa nipa no sunsun be na de ne senkom eye nyame sunsun e na de nipa ne senkom do ka so badabai na person che se nyankopon badabai ananya sa na person che sa na person che sa na wo person che se nyankopon no badabai because nipa no ama no kwa na awrade sunsun na me so ye dai eye adwuma. This is the time where we have to rise up and pray. Where are the prophets? The prophets are the people that see into the future, the things that are about to come. Niema ebepano. And no nyamina na di foso na yenya ya yere ya wo bompae na awrade man ho no so why they were kunim. We are all victims of what we are saying. But so why you know one bompae na do nyoma di agro e depeti. When you dear mango, because by God's grace, about your fire, so I said some combebre, some Ghana, Yami, and in our young say on you, Yanyadio. Also, said there is an attack on Tema Oil Refinery. Opa caught 31st December, may prophecies in Konakoradi. Okay, I said, blogger be, I know ya Ashta Uni, why and who's a sophobia, or the veteran in page did matem, say, I Tema Oil Refinery, dear Benny Bessie, okay. Omoba soriatia brawani modi for brawani yeah